should I call next to sell Girl Scout cookies? The Cookie Monster. Hello?
I'm sorry. This is the Cookie Monster, but this is a recording. I'm in Canada. Leave a message. Bye.
Hi, Cookie Monster. I was wondering if you want cookies, but I think I'll call your daughter. Bye. Never mind for that. Cookie Monster's daughter.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, this is Cookie Monster's daughter.
Uh-huh. I was wondering if you would like to buy some Girl Scout cookies.
Of course, I would like one of every box except for Caramel Delights.
I can do that.
Okay! Be here in 20 minutes or I'm taking them for free.
Philip the plant, you look a little thirsty. Oh, hello?
Hi, Betty. This is Elmer's daughter, Beatrice.
Okay, and how may I help you?
Can I have, one of every single cookie?
I'll get you as many as I can.
Okay.
I'll be right over.
I live in Sesame Street.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
I have your box of cookies.
What about the other one?
It's for Helen.
Oh, that cursed Cookie Monster daughter, Helen.
Cookies, cookies, cookies.
Cookies.
I ordered everything but Caramel Delights!
Stupid cookies.
Cookie.
Hello?
Hi, this is Elmer's daughter, Beatrice.
You stole my cookies.
You stole my cookies.
Well, you stole mine first.
I propose we have a battle.
Okay, meet me at the playground at 12 o'clock.
Sounds good. Be there.
Goodbye!
Bye.
Starts with C. Who cares about other things? C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Oh, cookie starts with C. Oh, C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Oh, cookie starts with C. Hey, you know what? A round cookie with one bite out of it looks like a C. A round donut with one bite out of it also looks like a C. But it is not as good as a cookie. Oh, the moon sometimes looks like a C, but you can't eat that. So, C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Yeah, C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. C is for cookie, that's good enough for me. Oh, cookie starts with C. Yeah!
Hey, you guys only bought one box.
Now, what starts with the letter C?